A Cummins Onan standby generator is an impressive piece of power technology, but that's no reason to be intimidated by it. Cummins has designed this product with homeowners just like you in mind. In this segment, we'll walk you through what you'll need to know to keep your standby generator operating at peak efficiency. This is a Cummins Onan air-cooled standby generator. It runs on either liquid propane or natural gas. As we look at the working parts of the generator, you'll recognize many of them from your car engine and even your lawnmower. There's an engine, an alternator, air filter, oil filter, and even a dipstick. Just like your car, oil levels need to be maintained and filters need to be changed. Unlike your car, a generator doesn't have an odometer to remind you when to check these types of things. That's why we designed it to tell you when it needs service. Here to help explain all that is John Kless. He's a product manager with Cummins Onan. Welcome, John.
Thank you.
We're standing in front of a digital display for a Cummins Onan standby generator. So, John, let's talk maintenance.
We designed this display to be very easy for the homeowner to understand when maintenance or service is required, and also to set or change the exercise function.
What exactly is exercise?
Exercise is an automatic feature for the generator that'll start it up so it can run periodically, let's say monthly, to run a system check and make sure it's ready for you for the next power outage.
So if there is a problem, what happens next? I see flashing red lights. I take it those are not good.
Absolutely, and what'll happen is you'll see this flashing red light. It'll tell you what the issue is so you can go and correct it. In this case, it's low oil pressure. Another unique feature about this generator though is it'll even send you an email to let you know that it has low oil pressure so you can have someone go out if you're on vacation or away from your home.
If you have doubts, remember you can always contact your Cummins Onan distributor or dealer. And if you're not sure who that is, you can find a dealer locator tool along with information on all of Cummins Onan's power products at cumminsonan.com.